In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with friends, 2026 full guide. Planning group trips, fantasy leagues, or game nights doesn't have to feel like juggling a dozen chaotic chats anymore. With ChatGPT's real-time shared workspace modules, you can centralize the back and forth, make decisions faster, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. I'll walk you through creating a secure shared project hub, inviting friends with a single link, collaborating in real time, and using automated tools to settle debates without drama. First, build a collaborative space inside the project's dashboard so you're not stuck copy-pasting between apps. On the left-hand sidebar, open projects and select Create New Project. A clean workspace opens where you can keep everything for this group in one place. Give it a clear name like Summer 2026 Trip Planning Hub, so it's easy to recognize and separate from your personal chats. This hub becomes your single source of truth for files, decisions, and prompts. Next, invite your friends with a shared access link. In the top right of your project, open the Share or Invite panel. Toggle access from private to shared workspace link. This generates a secure link you can paste into your group chat, letting friends join the canvas with their own profiles. Before sharing, double-check the permission state so that only people with the link can enter, and confirm whether they can view or edit based on what you prefer. With everyone inside, establish a shared knowledge base so the AI knows your real constraints. Open project files and have the group upload relevant context. Flight screenshots, lodging options, or a simple text list of budgets, allergies, and availability. Then head to custom instructions in project settings and add a strict guideline such as act as a group travel coordinator, review attached friend profiles, and keep all plans within the specified budget and schedules. This ensures the model tailors every suggestion to your group's reality. Now collaborate in real time with multiplayer prompts. Switch the model to thinking mode for deeper reasoning. In the prompt box, ask it to analyze the uploaded files and act like a local guide, then build a 3-day itinerary that includes 2 lesser-known outdoor activities, restaurant picks compatible with listed dietary needs, and a clean day-by-day format. Friends can jump in live, refine constraints, and see updates instantly. Finally, resolve disagreements with an automated tiebreaker. Ask the AI to review your top options and produce a pros and cons matrix based on travel time, cost efficiency, and group alignment. Under that, have it generate a copyable markdown ballot you can paste into the chat to lock in the final choice fast. Handing the logistics to a shared ChatGPT project frees you to focus on the fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.